What happens when you start using oregano this ways? This super herb contains amazing healing powers. Oregano is well known in the kitchen as a staple herb. It is used in many cuisines around the world. But did you know that it can offer amazing health benefits, especially when you start using specific ways? In this video, I'll cover all the important health benefits of oregano and how to use it to get maximum benefits. Let's get started. This aromatic herb is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as iron and manganese. It is packed with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for a variety of purposes. One of the easy ways to get its benefits is by drinking oregano herbal tea. Let's explore the important benefits of drinking oregano tea in detail. Immune-boosting properties. One of the standout benefits of oregano tea is its remarkable ability to boost the immune system. Oregano contains potent compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Regular consumption of oregano tea can help improve your immune defenses. It protects your body from various infections. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a common issue in our bodies, often linked to chronic diseases. Oregano tea contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis and allergies. It's a natural and tasty way to support your overall health. Good for digestive health. Oregano tea can also be your digestive system's best friend. It aids in digestion by promoting the production of digestive juices. It helps to reduce bloating and relieve indigestion. If you struggle with digestive issues, incorporating oregano tea into your daily routine may provide some much-needed relief. Stress relief and relaxation. In our fast-paced lives, stress is almost unavoidable. Oregano tea, with its calming and soothing properties, can be a natural remedy to help reduce stress and promote relaxation. A warm cup of oregano tea can be a delightful ritual to unwind and de-stress after a long day. Fighting off bacteria and viruses. Oregano has antimicrobial properties that may help to fight off bacteria and viruses. This may be beneficial for people who are frequently sick or who have weakened immune systems. Improve lung health. Oregano tea has strong antioxidant properties that are beneficial for lung health. Studies have found that oregano tea can help reduce the severity of asthma and other respiratory conditions by reducing inflammation in the lungs. It may even help protect against certain types of cancer, such as lung cancer. Help with weight loss. Oregano tea is also great for weight loss. This herbal drink can help boost your metabolism and suppress your appetite, so making it easier to stick with a healthy diet. It can also help flush out toxins that are preventing the body from functioning properly. Ultimately, it helps in weight loss efforts. These are a few important health benefits of drinking oregano tea. Now I will let you know how to make oregano tea. You can prepare this tea using fresh and dried oregano leaves. For fresh oregano, simply boil 1 cup of water and then turn off the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano leaves. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy your fresh oregano tea. If you wish to use dried oregano, just add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano leaves and follow the steps as just explained just before. You can drink 1 to 3 cups of oregano tea per day. Although oregano tea is generally safe for most people, it can have some side effects. If you drink it in high amounts, may cause nausea or diarrhea. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid oregano tea. Now you can shop for the mentioned products from this video itself. Click the shopping button at the bottom of the video to get started. Let me know, are you going to try oregano tea? I'd love to hear about your experience. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. Stay fit, and thank you so much for watching this video.